Okay, today we're doing a video on a 2021 BMW M5 competition. Beautiful vehicle. This is a one-owner car. Great spec on it. This also got a brand new engine from BMW about 2,000 miles ago due to coolant tank expansion tank failure, which leaked on top of the injectors and caused it to engine to lock. So full long block replaced by BMW. I'm gonna go do a quick exterior, interior, and fire it up. Beautiful color. Body is really clean. And it is lowered and lowered on Formula forged wheels. These are forged wheels, carbon side skirt extensions, no curbage on the first wheel, no curbage on any wheels, as a matter of fact. Carbon roof looks great, no oxidation or chipping. And performance, carbon fiber spoiler, M Sport exhaust. It's a little tightly packed, but no damage to rear bumper either. Beautiful car. The hood looks great. I don't see any rock chip. Well, that's not a rock chip. No, one rock chip right there, very tiny. Okay, let's take a look at the interior. It has the driver assistance package right there. Cameras right there. No pitting on the windshield either. This is a California car, never been up north, so no rust. Clean door panels, no. Silverstone seats, they look great on it. All right. The engine still has a warranty from BMW on it. It's a non-smoker car. No foul smells or anything like that in the vehicle. Smells just fine. Can't open this. This one's a little tightly parked. Looks great. Dash looks great. All right, let's fire it up. Currently sitting at 55,623. Cold start. Okay. It's your display. Android Auto, has Apple CarPlay. Scroll all the feature, air's blowing nice and good. Let's get some tunes going. Android Auto. Let's play something on Spotify. And let's see what it plays. I'll just play something that should be. Works just great. Alright, lights on and hazard. Power folding mirrors work. Beautiful car. I think F90s are one of the better looking M's in recent years after the E39. 2021 F90 M5 competition.